Good morning. Looks great outside. Smells good too. What is that puddle doing out there? What the hell? Is there a puddle out there? Probably nothing. Just rained a little, I guess. Good morning, Ricky. Wait, what the fuck? Excuse me, what is this on my radio? Tornado watch. Hold on a second. Something isn't right here. Something's really wrong here. Why is there a tornado watch in effect right now? I woke up and it's such a beautiful day. I need someone to explain to me. Maybe if I check what time these alerts were issued, I'll see. Severe thunderstorm, tornado watch. Alright, Let's see, when was this tornado warning issued? 4:54. Let's see here. 10 p.m. Okay. 1 a.m. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. 5 a.m. 5 a.m. 5 a.m. 5 a.m. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. And that's it. So you're telling me that all the time I was sleeping, there was severe weather? How is this possible? It's been the 1 year anniversary since the February 27, 2023 storms, and now we're getting all of this. Something is up here. I don't know what. Is this a 1 year anniversary special or something? I wonder what would happen if I rolled back the camera.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 6 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, and Greene. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Low pressure and a strong cold front will move east across the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley tonight and Wednesday, bringing the threat for showers, thunderstorms, and windy conditions. High pressure will quickly go east into the Ohio Valley Wednesday night, resulting in clearing skies and much colder temperatures. Over the region into Thursday with below normal temperatures.
Alright, well, that's the first alert, probably the last. I'm guessing the next couple of alerts are gonna have to be, I don't know, I guess on the security camera or something when I sleep through it. I don't know how that's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna have the recon on it like volume number 1, but whatever.
three-quarter size hail. Source, radar is. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Cambridge, Gainesville, Antrim, Quaker City, Neckerville, Pleasant City, Cumberland, Lower City, Old Washington, Bell Valley, Sarasville, Dalesville, High Hill, Batesville, Seneca Lake Park, and One State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 178 and 195. State 77 in Ohio between mile markers 28 and 46. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective until 10 a.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Hocking, Knox, Madison, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Chicaway, and remember, the tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible loss. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet hosts for the latest severe weather information. The tornado watch remains. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Clark County, northeastern Greene County, southwestern Madison County until 5:30 a.m. At 4:54 a.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Springfield, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: where indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations affected include Springfield, London, West Jefferson, Cedarville, South Charleston, Choctaw Lake, Harmony, Lisbon, Brighton, Lafayette, South Vienna, South Solon, Midway, Newport, Selma, Pigeon, Interstate 70 and State Route 56, Gladstone, Madison Lake, and Plattsburgh. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio near mile markers 57 and 79. I-71 in Ohio near mile marker 80. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an empty room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoor, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your via social media when you can do so safely. The National Service has issued a tornado warning for Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Chicaway County, southeastern Madison County until 5:45 a.m. At 5:15 a.m., A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over London, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dispersed to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged, destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Bexley, Jefferson, Groveport, West Jefferson, The Ohio State University, Lake Darby, Easton, Whitehall, Grandview Heights, Obetz, Commercial Point, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble, and Lafayette. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 78 and 108. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 81 and 115. For now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.ov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now here is the official National Weather Service.
Oh my fucking god. Holy fuck.
Mostly cloudy in the morning and becoming partly cloudy. Mild winds in the upper 50s. Saturday night.
Jesus Christ.
Mild to lows in the mid-40s. Sunday, partly cloudy in the
Jesus.
mild winds in the upper 60s.
Is it normal for
Sunday night, mostly
lightning to be that slow? I've never seen lightning be that slow. Is that power flashes? I hope not.
Monday, partly cloudy.
No, I don't think that's power flashes. I really hope not.
Mild winds in the lower 70s.
If that's power flashes, then I gotta get in the basement.
Monday night,
No
partly
joke.
cloudy with a 40% chance of rain. Mild with lows in the mid-40s.
What the fuck?
Tuesday, partly cloudy
What
with
the
a
fuck? I've never
40%
seen
chance of
lightning
rain.
that slow.
Snow watch remains in effect through
What the fuck?
Perry, Vinton, and Washington and West, including the following counties. From 5:45 a.m. for Franklin, northwestern Pickaway, and southeastern Madison counties. At 5:20 a.m., a confirmed tornado
Oh,
was
fuck.
located
Yeah, we gotta
southwest
go.
of Lake Darby, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source.
Yeah, let's go. 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 Let's go.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Alright. Yep. In the basement we go.
Or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows.
Alright.
Tree damage is
Do not worry. Do not panic. Let's go.
Still right near West Jeff. You need to be in that safe spot. If you live in West Jefferson, it is moving right over your area, headed toward Galloway, headed toward Upper Arlington. Ben, are you seeing a report there?
Boy.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Knox County until 6:15 a.m. At 5:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Centerburg, or 10 miles southwest of Mount Vernon, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
Okay,
shelter.
so my parents are
Mobile homes will be
obviously
damaged or
saying that
destroyed.
the
Damage to
tornado's
roofs,
fine, the
windows,
tornado's
and
fine.
vehicles will
It's
occur.
fine, I have to go in the basement.
Tree damage is
Fine,
likely.
I'll go in my own shelter.
This dangerous storm will be near Nocturne around 5:45 a.m. Gambia around 5:50 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Martinsburg, Bladensburg, and Gan. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Here are the 5 a.m. weather conditions at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport under cloudy skies. The temperature was 66 degrees.
Handle it.
and
So
the
I'm putting
relative
this
humidity
back,
70%. The
and let me
wind
just stay in
at
here for the
12 miles
remainder
per
of my
hour.
time.
The barometric pressure
Until
was
5:45.
29.36 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected locations across County, Ohio, northern Fairfield County, north central Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County, until 6:15 a.m. At 5:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Asheville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, South Bloomfield, Millersport, Pleasantville, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, and Fairfield Beach. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 136. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Licking County until 6:40 p.m. At 5:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm with strong rotation was located over Pawhuska, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Tornado is occurring or imminent. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to the caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Granville, Pawhuska, Johnstown, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Utica, Hanover, Hart Hills, Grandville South, Martin, Beechwood Trail, Thornport, New Albany, Jersey, Allegria, St. Louisville, Gratiot, and Brownsville. Includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 126 and 142 and near mile 144. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northern Perry County, northwestern Morgan County, until 6 a.m. At 6 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pleasantville, or 8 miles northeast of Lancaster, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught with shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Somerset, Harbor Hills, and Thornport around 6:05 a.m. Perry State Forest around 6:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Junction City, Glenford, Crookston, and Thornville. Take cover now. Move a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Here is a special weather. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Guernsey County, southeastern Muskegon County, Noble County until 7:15 a.m. At 6:44 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of McConnellsville, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarters of hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Caldwell, Hazel, Dudley, Philo, Quaker City, Senecaville, Lake City, Cumberland, Lower City, Summerfield, Bell Valley, Sarasville, Dexter City, Salem, High Hill, Rural Dale, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Duncan Falls, and Batesville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in near mile marker 162, in between mile markers 165 and 166. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 90 and 43.
Why not include the RWT in this compilation? Okay, clearly you need to be taken somewhere. And put you right there.
Wood and white in dot. Wind advisory remains in effect until 7
You
p.m.
okay with that?
Tonight, partly cloudy and
And 11 o'clock, Ireland, tone out.
15 to 20 miles an hour. Thursday.
Hello? Wakey, wakey.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings in the following counties.
Hello. Hello. Okay, maybe I should stop pacing around the entire room.
Hawking,
Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Musking, Perry, Pickaway, and Union.
This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, Columbus, Ohio. Here is a public information statement. The National Weather Service in Wilmington, Ohio has confirmed a tornado occurred in Jersey in Licking County, Ohio earlier this morning.
That's not good.
The survey continues this morning and may include reported damage in Franklin County, Ohio near the Blacklick area. Additional information,
Franklin.
including tornado estimated maximum wind speeds and track data, will be made available later this evening. A final assessment, including results of the survey, are expected to be completed and transmitted via a public information statement later this evening or tomorrow.
Okay,
The
listen
storm's
for that.
email information will also be available on our website.
I'm just spamming the scroll right now. Alright. You.
was set at Columbus.
Now we just have to wait for WWG57. 20 minutes later, and CLE still hasn't tested. CLE was supposed to test 20 minutes ago at 11:20 a.m. And they didn't. So I'm assuming they canceled, didn't they? Damn you, CLE. Alright, well, I guess I got ILNs, and that's kind of it. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this EAS compilation with all this chaos going on right now. I know I'm kind of recording this while studying for exams and stuff like that, but what's done is done. The rest of your weather, I will get it and post it for you guys. But again, thanks for watching. This will add to my ES count. Yeah, alright. See you guys later. Bye.